Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
When it comes to pushing smartphone design to the limit, there's always been one big contradiction. Ultra-thin, lightweight bodies usually don't go hand in hand with full-blown flagship power. And that's exactly the challenge the Honor Magic series is trying to tackle head-on, especially with the Magic 8 Pro Air and its ambitious camera setup. This device aims to merge true pro-level performance with L-class ultra-slim design. So the big question is this upcoming concept phone a real glimpse into the future, or just a beautiful idea that can't actually be pulled off? Let's take a forward-looking deep dive guided by current tech trends and Honor's design DNA. Starting with design and craftsmanship, the goal here is to create something that feels powerful yet feather-light. The heart of the Magic 8 Pro Air lies in its bold new materials and internal structure. We could see the use of next-gen alloys, ceramic composite blends, or even ultra-light, high-strength, amorphous metals. Add to that biomimetic designs like honeycomb frameworks inside the phone, all focused on cutting down weight. The target is incredibly ambitious, keeping the device under 180 grams while trimming thickness to below 7 millimeters. If achieved, this would completely change how we think about flagship phone weight and comfort. The phone is also expected to feature a unibody build paired with innovative interaction methods, aiming for an ultra-slim profile along with enhanced dust and water resistance, potentially reaching IP69. This could even lead to a fully sealed design with no physical openings at all. Charging and data transfer may rely on high-speed magnetic connectors or wireless fast charging, while traditional buttons could be replaced by pressure-sensitive zones or linear motors. Audio might come through screen sound technology or micro-slit speaker arrays. On the front, expect a fully curved display with extremely narrow bezels and equal curvature on all sides. A four-sided curved screen would reduce wasted space while keeping that smooth premium look. Combined with more advanced under-display camera tech, this could finally deliver a true full-screen experience with zero visible cutouts, pushing the screen-to-body ratio to unprecedented levels. Next up is how performance, cameras, and AI are packed into such a compact body. The Magic 8 Pro Air is expected to run on a next-generation platform built with ultra-advanced manufacturing processes like TSMC's 2nm technology, putting a major focus on extreme energy efficiency. Paired with Honor's own power-saving chips, including the C-Series Glasses version and the OS Turbo X Super Engine, the goal is to provide strong performance while keeping power consumption low. This balance is crucial for managing heat and battery life in such a slim and lightweight design. On the imaging side, this represents another step forward for computational photography. Instead of chasing massive camera modules, the system may shift toward customized, miniaturized, high-precision sensors. The heavy lifting would then be handled by multi-camera fusion and advanced computational photography, supported by AI-driven light and shadow engines along with cloud-based enhancement algorithms. In simple terms, powerful AI would compensate for smaller hardware, delivering high-end imaging in a compact form. That said, there are still real-world limits. No matter how smart the algorithms become, smaller sensors can't fully match traditional flagship setups that use large 1-inch sensors and periscope lenses. In areas like extreme low-light shooting, ultra-fast capture, and true lossless zoom, physics still plays a role, and compact hardware inevitably falls behind in those situations. Now let's talk about the system, ecosystem, and the overall future experience. With Magic OS working in lightweight, intelligent harmony with the hardware, we're likely to see deep system-level slimming and optimization that perfectly matches the phone's ultralight design. Cross-device connectivity with tablets, PCs, and even in-car systems should become smoother than ever, unlocking new levels of shared data and computing power. Health monitoring could also take a big leap forward thanks to more advanced microsensors. These may enable features like 5 senses tracking, continuous blood glucose trend monitoring, and stress analysis, turning the phone into a genuine personal health assistant. On top of that, interaction is expected to evolve beyond just touchscreens with new methods like micro-gesture recognition and eye tracking. These would work alongside traditional controls, offering more natural ways to interact in situations like cooking or when both hands are occupied. So who is this phone really for, and is it worth waiting for? At its core, this device offers a bold, future-focused option for early adopters who care deeply about style, are extremely sensitive to weight, and trust AI and computing power to replace some traditional hardware functions. It represents a kind of minimalist luxury. If this phone becomes reality, could it be your perfect match? It might be, especially if you're a tech-forward fashion trendsetter or a high-end business professional who sees their phone as both a key productivity tool and a personal style statement. If you can't stand bulky or heavy devices, chase ultimate refinement and portability and mainly use your phone for communication, social media, content viewing, and mobile office tasks rather than intense gaming or professional photography, this could be right up your alley. It's also ideal for users deeply invested in the Honor ecosystem who embrace AI, rely on cross-device collaboration, and are happy to pay for cutting-edge interaction experiences. Add to that a strong appreciation for design, fairness, and premium tactile feel, and you've got the perfect audience. Looking ahead, if you dream of being at the forefront of next-generation mobile form factors, are willing to spend extra for groundbreaking industrial design and revolutionary in-hand feel, and can accept compromises between peak performance and battery life, then this phone could become an unmatched status symbol, delivering a truly transformative experience.